So all you have to do to those folded kind of geometries is you have to try and specify where you would put the matter and what kind of stuff you'd put there to make the geometry fold in that way. It's called a warp drive geometry, I think it's called. It's in textbooks to have a warp drive. The question becomes, what sort of stuff would you have to actually put into the real universe to make it warp in that way? And it usually turns out that it's the kind of stuff that doesn't exist. But it has properties. It's sort of matter or sort of energy that has properties that do not exist in nature as far as we can tell. But you can still write the geometry down in Einstein's theory.
So if you had the significant force or mass or whatever it is, if you had that stuff that doesn't exist.
So the geometry exists. And you can do the calculations and you can see the warp drive. You can construct wormholes that connect distant regions of the universe, which you could use as time machines. You can do all that in the theory, but in nature, you'd have to have the right stuff to do it.
But that stuff is not real.
That seems to be
as far as we know.